So I just completed a home inspection with one of my buyers, and this buyer is pretty special. He's actually a friend of mine from high school. He and his wife were high school sweethearts, still happily married after all of these years, and his awesome daughter is the one purchasing this property. So, I had my fatherly protection cap on during this transaction. So, we just left the home inspection, and here's what I recommend that you do. Number one, you always have home inspections on your property if you can help it. Now, if you're in a competing situation, you may have to waive them, but if you do have to waive them, make sure you have someone with you during a showing that is somewhat of an expert in the construction industry, such as a home inspector, contractor, or if you feel comfortable with your father, who is a handy guy. That's number one. Number two is, when you do have a home inspection, I always recommend that you meet with the inspector before he goes in to start the home inspection, to go over what he is going to start doing. What's his process? Go over that. And then the second thing I always suggest is, I recommend you follow the home inspector around the property so you can learn about the property, such as the electrical panel, the hot water tank, the water main shutoff, the HVAC system. Now, before you do follow the home inspector around, ask him permission if it's okay. You never know, some inspectors may want their peace while doing their job, and they may be okay with you following around and being the teacher, if you will. And then lastly, I would say, at the end of the home inspection, stand outside and make sure you go over the bullet points with him of the things that he found to be faulty, such as any safety issues whatsoever. And then obviously he will email you the home inspection report, and then you work with your real estate professional to work on a reply to send to the seller's agent, to either work on getting some of those items corrected, or you can request a credit, or you can obviously request a 1-year home warranty, whatever works for you. But that's my recommendations during a home inspection. Hope this helps. Remember, the most important decision that you're going to make when buying or selling real estate, it's not about location. It's about the broker you hire.